Display year-wise total sales. Yes, display year-wise total sales. Total of current year with the next year. Current year with the next year. Average current year with previous year. Okay, maximum of current year. Maximum of current year with the previous year. Okay, this is the question. So, and the color, where is right? Okay, right. Now, okay, now this is display year-wise total sales. Means what is this? Display year-wise total sales. This is nothing but a sum of total, right? This is nothing but sum of total. So, got my point? And second one is total of current year with the next year. Same as total of the current year. Current year means what is current year? Here, suppose I am to say this is the current year. Okay, right? Okay, if you feel in your mind, this is the current year. Okay, now we can call it as a 0 year. 0 year means current year, right? Okay. Next, with the next year means 22, 23, right? This is the next year. This is the current year, next year, next year. Okay. This is the total of the sum of total. Okay. Next, this is current year. Okay. Next, 23, 24, right? Okay. Or else 22, 23, right? We can say anything. Next, average of current year. Okay. Average of current year means 0 year, right? 0 year with the previous 2 years. Okay, with the previous means back. Okay, previous year, right? Next, this question is enough. Next, maximum of current year with the previous 4 years. Maximum here, current year is just 0, right? And previous is a 4, right? Answer is coming, right? Once again, I tell you here, display year-wise total sales. Here nothing but a sum of sales, right? Sum of sales here. Okay, just identify everything. Next, second one is total of current year. Total of current year with the next year. Total of current year means 0. Okay, next, present year. 0 means present year. Next, with the next year. Next year means you can identify the 2, right? 1, this one is 1, this one 2. Okay, this one 2. Both are combine the both 2 and 1. These are the 2. Okay, next, average current year. Average current year. Current year is a 0. Okay, next previous year is equal to -2, right? Previous means minus. Okay, next year means +2, right? Right. Next, maximum current year. 0 year, right? With the previous 4 years. Previous 4 is -4. Okay, got my point, Siran? Okay, this is the question you can understand what I'm saying here. Okay, now I'm going to the current scenario, right? Now, these are the, okay, this is the display year, total current year, average year. This is our question. Here, I'm drag and drop into the order date, right? I'm creating this total sales. I'm creating the this. Okay, now I'm going to the second sheet. Very important task. This one is okay, very important. Now I'm copying the question for the understanding. Copy. Okay, go for the second sheet, and I'm also paste this one. Apply. Okay, now my question is total year. Okay, I'm drag and drop here into the row cell. Okay, right. I want to do sales here. Sales here. I'm putting into the text. This is the sales, right? Got my point? Now remaining 3. Total of current year. Average of current year with the previous year. Number of current year with the previous 4 years. Now I am creating here 4 calculated field, right? I am using 4 calculated field. One is nothing but Next. No.
లక్ష్మణ్ గారు ఇప్పుడు ఇలాగే రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి క్లిక్ టేబుల్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి చేస్తే మ్యాక్సిమం ఇలా కూడా వస్తుంది కదా, అలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు కదా.
Second. ఇందులో పెన్సిల్ ఏది ఇందులో పెన్సిల్ ఏది ఇందులో పెన్సిల్ 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 ఏది వేస్తున్నాయి ఇదా ఇదా ఇది బారు పెన్ వచ్చింది కదా పెన్ టూల్ వచ్చింది కదా okay, right. The watch. Okay, now so this one is a new sheet. Okay, now I am creating the 4 sheets, right? 4 calculated field. So you set the by using filter. You can try it. If it is okay, you can try it, no problem. But today our topic is I am creating the 4 calculated field. First one is now tell me first one is sum of first calculation total, right? You can remember this one. Sum of sales, right? This one is sum of sales, right? Apply. Okay, now I am drag and drop in the order date into result. Now I am drag and drop into the sum of total, where total here. Okay, I am drag and drop in text here only. Now the values are coming, right? The values are displayed. Now the second question is total of current year with the next year. Now I am creating the second sheet. Okay, now second, you can identify second or simply I am putting only 2 number. Okay, this is the name. You can give any name you can give. Okay, our question is total current year with the next 2 years, right? Here I am using the Windows function. So simply you can identify the Windows function, right? Right. Windows here sum of sale. Okay, sum of sale. I want to 0 year, right? Current year means comma 0. Okay, next second year comma 2, right? This is the question and answer. So total of current year with the next year. This is the Windows function, right? Default function. When I click here, Windows here identify the default function available in this calculated field, right? Now I am using Windows sum, right? Sum of sale. 0 year means current year, 0 means current year, 2 years means 2 means next year, next 2 years, right? Now I am applying okay. Now I am drag and drop into the text. Okay, the text. First total and second is text, right? Means current year 0 and next year values, right? Next. Now third one is here read the instructions. Average, Windows average. Default function I tell you Windows average, right? Next, average year with the previous year. Now as sum of sales. Okay, what
2,0
previous minus 2 comma 0. Yes, now here you put in the comma, right? Okay. Now values calculation is valid, right? Apply, right? You can drag and drop into here only, right? Next, and the fourth one is maximum, right? And print the 4. You can now maximum, Windows means Windows max, right? Sum of sales, right?
4,0.
Zero. Again, please. Minus
4,0.
comma, minus 4, comma, 0, right? Right? Then you can drag and drop it here also. So the values are coming. You can enlarge this size. You can put here and drag and drop here. And here also, if you want to drag and drop here, this is the values. Okay, right? If you want to increase the size, you put in the center. Right? If you want any, yeah, you can give the any. Okay. Now values are bigger size. Okay. This is the question for me. Okay. So got my point. Here our question is display year-wise total sales. First one is year-wise total sales. This is the years and total sales, right? And second one is current year, next year. Current year means 0. Next year 2 years, right? This is the 2. And next year average current year, previous year, right? This is values. And the maximum current year, 0 year, and minus year. Okay, this is the value. So now this is the our question is complete. Okay. Previously can't listen these questions. Windows function. Are you heard about here Windows function previously?
Sir.
Previously, the Windows function ennava? Yeah, this is the first. Okay, right. This is the our question. Now I am saying.
Sir.
Again, please.
-2, minus 4, 0 పెట్టాం కదా. ఎందుకు పెట్టాం సార్ అది?
కామన్ ఉండాలి, అది లేకపోతే నీకు రాదు. కామ లేకుండా ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఎడిట్.
-4, 0 పెట్టారు కదా. ఇది కాదు, -2, 0 పెట్టారు కదా అక్కడ. 3లో అదే సార్ -4, 0 పెట్టారు కదా.
3 క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? యావరేజ్ కరెంట్ ఇయర్, విండోస్ యావరేజ్ కొట్టాను. ఇయర్ విత్ ద ప్రీవియస్ కరెంట్ ఇయర్ 0, ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ అంటే దాని. హలో,
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ అంటే మైనస్, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అంటే ప్లస్. ప్లస్ ఉన్న ఒకటి లేకపోయినా ఒకటి కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ పుట్ ద మైనస్ ఇయర్. ఓకే, రైట్. Now this is our question. Our question is our task is completed. Okay. Already I said previously I have 58 questions. In that this is the 40 question. Okay. Now I am close this one and save it. Now I have another question. So just remember all the questions. Yeah, these are the 58 questions, right? And I prepared some questions and answers. Next. Yeah, now this one is case functions. What is the case? What is the case? Case is nothing but here. Case is nothing but here. Present value followed by the second value and then followed by the third value and followed by the fifth value. This is called as the case function. Case function అంటే suppose ఒక sheet ఉంది. So ఇది sheet ఇది. Now this one is our sheet, right? This sheet ఇది. ఈ sheet లో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? First I am creating category wise sales. Okay, category wise sales, city wise sales, country wise sales. Okay, next user wise sales. Okay, next segment wise sales, mode wise sales, sub category wise sales. Okay, now subcategory. Okay, subcategory wise sales. These are the dimension values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these are the dimension values, right? Okay, dimensions. I want to sales here. Okay, I want to sales put it in the columns. Right? The values are coming like this. No, if not understand, we can drag and drop in the sales. We can drag and drop into the text. So now you can identify the values. Okay, furniture wise, city wise, I mean category wise, city wise. Okay, now you can drag and drop in here also. Okay, like that. Now I'm putting the category here in between of the here. Okay, right. City wise, category wise, country wise, region wise, segment wise, subcategory wise, ship mode wise, sales. Okay, this is a in-memory technology. This is in-memory. Means one by one. దీనికి ఇది డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది, దీనికి ఇది డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ యాజ్ డిపెండెంట్ దిస్ వన్, డిపెండెంట్ దిస్ వన్, దిస్ వన్ డిపెండెంట్, దిస్ వన్ డిపెండెంట్, అలా డిపెండ్ అయ్యి ఈ వాల్యూస్ అని వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే రైట్. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ద seat wise all the charts. All the charts I want to display seat wise. Suppose this one is a sheet. Okay, this is a sheet. So now this is a sheet. ఇది షీట్ అబ్బాయి, అంతా షీట్ అబ్బాయి అంతా. ఓకే, షీట్ లో నేను ఏమైనా కావాలనుకుంటున్నాను, సిటీ కావాలనుకున్నాను, కంట్రీ కావాలనుకున్నాను, రీజన్ కావాలనుకున్నా, సబ్ కేటగిరీ అంతా కావాలనుకున్నాను. రైట్, దాంతో పాటు ఏం కావాలనుకున్నాను, సేల్స్ కూడా కావాలనుకున్నాను. ఓకే, నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ ఐ ఐడెంటిఫై ద seat wise display, seat wise visualization. Within the seat I want the city wise, within the sheet I want to do country wise, within sheet region, within sheet segment, within segment subcategory, within sheet ship mode, by sales. Okay, sales wise ఎన్ని కూడా ఒక షీట్ లోనే నాకు కావాలనుకున్నాను. So how you can use, what are the condition you can apply? Siram చెప్పు, what are the condition you applied? Siram, are you there?
క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి మరి సార్ మళ్ళీ.
So I want here, yeah, simply I am saying, simply again I am telling, clear the sheet primary. Okay, now clear the sheet. Now I want to no mute పెట్టేసా, ఇది ఫ్యాన్ సౌండ్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చాను. Now I want to do see within a sheet. This one is a sheet now. Okay, this one is sheet. This one is all the sheet. Okay, within the sheet, I want to display all measure values. All measure values. We can drag and drop to here. We can drag and drop to here. So by based on sales. Okay, sales are discounted here. Okay, dimension values we can drag and drop the row set, and the measure values we can drag and drop the column shell. That time you can use the case function. Case function means, okay, sales, here sales is there. This sales belong to city wise. This sales belong to state wise. This state belongs to customer wise and category wise, region wise. Okay, region wise and segment wise. Okay, next subcategory wise. Okay, so all the values comes under the seat wise. How you can implement it? By using the case function, right? Okay, case function and also parameter, right? I am using the parameter. Case function means created the calculated field. Okay, in that I am applying to the case function, right? And also created a parameter. We can apply into the all the values into the parameter, right? Value is nothing but a dimensions. This dimension comes under the parameter. Okay, right? After creating the parameter, we can implement it into the calculated field. This is called as the case function. Okay, now I am going to here sheet 1. You can apply. Sorry, here not having. Okay, now I am creating again. I am creating now sales. Okay, now sales something. Suppose I am supposed to say category wise, city wise, okay, region wise, segment wise, right? Here I am diagonal. I want these are the values. Now, when I click the parameter, one by one values are, it will show the one by one. First value category, first value, category, and then city, and then country, region, segment, like that. So by using the parameter, this parameter you can control in the calculator field. Now, how you can implement this one? Okay, right. Now I am creating all the sheet. Okay, right. Okay, now category. Okay, right. Category, region, right. Right. Ship mode, right. Subcategory. Now category. So how many values I am taking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am taking only 5 dimension values, right? Now based on dimension values, we can apply into the sales into the column cell. So all the values, all the dimension depending on the sales, or this sales, this measure depending on the dimensions, whatever you can call anything. No problem. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా దీని డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటే సేల్స్ లేకపోతే సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ సేల్స్ లేదనుకో, దీనికి ఏ వాల్యూ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి, ఓన్లీ డైమెన్షన్ చూపిస్తుంది. అదే ఈ సేల్స్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ అనుకో ఏమవుతుంది, దీనికి వాల్యూస్ అని డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, రైట్. Now I am using the parameter. Okay, this is the values I am creating the parameter, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is the measure value. These are the dimension value. Now I am going to the another sheet. Now I am creating the calculated field. Now I am creating the parameter, right? The parameter I am giving the I put the same name. Okay, right? To integer list. Okay, now I am going to the sheet here. Okay. Sheet here. Okay. Now I am creating the parameter, right? For the purpose of the what are the values I am drag and drop in the row cell. This dimension value I am entering the here. Okay, list wise I am entering here, right? Now string function list. Okay, list here. Name is category. Category. Second one is region. Now third one is ship. Yes, amount is mode. Fourth one is SQ. Some category. Next, last one is category, right? Right. These are the values I entered. Okay, now test. Okay. Now I am applying the parameter. Now I am creating the calculated field. Now I am using case function, right? Case. Okay, case. Any mistake in this? Now I'm applying the case, right? Case, and we can drag and drop the parameter into the calculated field. Now, what are the fields I entered? So now here function is here. See case function, and I type in the case. Case here. See all the read case expression. The condition is when, value, then return else if. Okay, these are the values. Now here example is case parameter name, when, then, when, then, when, then. Okay. Now same as I am applying here also. Okay, right? When the first name is category. Now I am putting the here also inverted comma is there. Okay, single quotation. Okay, now I am putting the single quotation or double quotation. We see now category. Okay, then now I am drag and drop the category into here. Okay, category. here only, right? Or else you can cut it and paste it, right? And same as again, copy it, paste it. 1, simply paste 2, 3, 4. Any values may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am changing the here name is region. Okay, region. Values are correct. You can type the values. What are the region, right? Spelling correct గా చూసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉందో చూసుకోవాలి. స్పెల్లింగ్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి. క్యాపిటల్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అలా నేర్చుకోవాలి. షిఫ్ట్ మోడ్, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ సబ్ కేటగిరీ, రైట్? Sub category, right? And last one is category. సరిపోయింది కదా? Category 2 సార్లు వచ్చిందా? సరే, I am removing this one. So I am also removing this one. Okay, 4 values: category, region, shipment, category. Now here you can change the here also region. Here also ship mode. Now here also subcategory, right? Then and so condition is applied. So values are right. The characteristic is valid, right? Apply. Okay, this. Now here this one is okay. Now I am drag and drop into sales. Where is sales? Sales to the row. Okay. Now here I am creating what that is 2. Okay, the 2 we can drag out into the column, right? Okay, right? And I am applying to the show parameter. Now category here, this is the category. Okay, next we can apply to the region. Now we can apply the ship mode. Now can we apply the subcategory? Okay, now again category, region, ship mode, right? Subcategory. So those dimensional values you can display into the single sheet. That is called as the case function. So case function means we can apply into the 1 by 1. One dimension followed by the another dimension, followed by the third dimension, followed by the fourth dimension. That is called as the case function. Got my point? In this you have any queries? Again you tell me. You tell me simplifies. I want to do condition. I want to create a parameter by using the profit. Okay, right? I want to only 2 values, right? And city wise, state wise. Now we can apply. Now you can tell me.
Sir, అది ప్రాఫిట్ ఉంది కదా కాలమ్స్ లో కరెక్ట్.
What is the formula you can apply?
అదే క్రియేట్ పారామీటర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం సార్.
Yes, create a parameter. Then here I am going to the city values and list what are the values city and state here. We can apply the city and state.
State యాడ్ చేస్తాం సార్. సిటీ ని స్టేట్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తాం.
Yeah, now I am
apply
typing the city. No problem. City. Now state. Okay, right.
Add.
Apply. Okay. Now this is the parameter.
Text.
Now creating
text.
Case must be
case. Case చెప్తాను case.
Then I'm creating parameter 3. Parameter name here. Now
parameter drop చేస్తాను సార్. When
single quote
city sir, city double quote sir.
City then
double quote then city spare brackets to city పెడతాం.
You can drag and drop here only, right?
Then
okay,
copy paste.
Yeah,
copy paste చేయండి సార్.
Yes,
Then
copy paste here.
అక్కడ state sir.
State here.
అక్కడ కూడా స్టేట్ సార్.
right? If you want to just
And
paste
and
and right. Calculation valid. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to the
calculate
now I'm going to the
calculate
parameter. Show parameter. Now calculate drag and drop column cell. Okay.
and profit into rows. Profit
Into the row cell. So now this is a city and a state. Okay, city and a state. Okay. So this is the second topic. Okay. Now I have okay. This is one type of question. Now when topic like and coming to third part is now I'm saving this one. Okay, close this one. Okay, now I have another topic.
లక్ష్మణ్ గారు ఇప్పుడు మనం 5 లాగాం కదండి. అందులో 10 లాగి 10 కూడా సేమ్ ఇంతేనా? కేస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉపయోగించి పారామీటర్స్ చేసి సరిపోద్దండి. 10 రాయాలి కేస్ ఫంక్షన్. కేస్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు మన రోస్ లో ఉన్నాయండి కూడా అదే డైమెన్షన్స్ లో ఉన్నాయండి, మెజర్స్ లో డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి అంతే కదండి.
అంతే అంటే ఇప్పుడు కేస్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే సపోజ్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ డైమెన్షన్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 4 డైమెన్షన్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, దానికి కేస్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్లై చేస్తాం అనుకో. ఇఫ్ యు అప్లై ద కేస్ ఫంక్షన్ ద 4 dimension value, the dimension values are followed by 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 followed by second followed third followed fourth, based on measure value. That is the condition of the case. అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్, అర్థమైంది.
నా ఏదో చెప్పాలనుకున్నాను ఇందాక, నేను చదివాను. Okay, today enough of class. Only you are a single person. We will discuss tomorrow section, right?
Okay sir, okay.
Remember this point. Okay, remember this point, right? Good night, Sriram. Only you are single. Okay. Maybe could discuss cheddam.
Okay sir, okay. Okay sir, okay.
Okay, bye.
Good night sir, good night.
Good night.